Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to fix Grammarly not working in Microsoft Word. So make it sure to watch until the end, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, check Grammarly add-in. Open Microsoft Word, go to Home tab, look for your Grammarly on the toolbar. If you don't see it, it may not be installed or active. Alright, so another way is to reinstall Grammarly for your Microsoft Office. Download and install again the Grammarly for Microsoft Office add-in. This works for both Word and Outlook. And after that, enable Grammarly in Word add-ins. Make sure the Grammarly is checked. If not, check it and click OK. And another reason is your Grammarly is out to date. Make sure your both Microsoft Office and Grammarly are fully updated to the latest version. So that's it. Now you know how to fix Grammarly not working in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching and I hope this video helped you.